Now students, the next topic is status of primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector by the help of showing the graph. Status of GDP in three sectors. Now over the 40 years between 1970-71 to 2010-11, see the graph 1. Comparing with the production in all the three sectors has been increased. It is clear that it has increased the most in tertiary sector. Therefore, in the year 2010-11, the tertiary sector has emerged as the largest producing sector in India comparing with the primary sectors. Therefore, the tertiary sector become so important in India. There are some reasons. Firstly, in our country, several services such as hospital, P&T departments, educational institutions, bank, insurance, municipal corporation, defense, etc. are required as considered as basic services. So firstly, these are the basic services in an developing country, and this several services are as government has to take responsibility for the provision of these services. So students, tertiary sector become a very important as a basic services as far as regarding the all other two sectors. Secondly, the development of the agriculture and industry, which is primary and secondary sectors, leads to the development of the services such as trade, cold storage, buffer stock and transportation has been already changed, and by the help of tertiary sector, service sector, they can service to, by the help of transportation, trade and buffer stock, they can service to other two sectors, primary and secondary sectors. Third reason is, as the income level rise in our country, increases in our country, certain sections of the people start demanding many more services like tourism, shopping, private hospitals, private schools, private government offices, colleges, professional institutions. These all are changes sharply in cities, metropolitan cities, especially in big cities. The fourth one is, there are so many new services are induced in as a based on transfer, such as information technology, communication technology have been become important and essential services in our country. So there are so many reasons for the tertiary sector is many more important sectors in our country. So that not all the service sectors is growing equally, as well as service sector in India employs many different kinds of people, and there are very large number of workers engaged in services such as small shopkeepers, repair persons, transporters persons, and these many people manage to earn a livelihood as they perform and the performance these services, because no other opportunities for work are available to them.